The nuclear standoff. Imagine waking up knowing today could be the last day on Earth. No warning, no escape, just a button. And silence. That was life during the Cold War. After proxy wars spread across the globe, the superpowers turned inward toward weapons capable of ending everything. The United States and the Soviet Union built nuclear arsenals not to win wars, but to prevent them. Each side stockpiled bombs powerful enough to erase cities in seconds. Missiles stood ready, 24 hours a day. This was the arms race, a competition where the prize was survival. The strategy was brutal. If both sides could destroy the other completely, neither would dare strike first. The world called it mutually assured destruction. Peace was no longer hope, it was fear. The threat of nuclear war seeped into everyday life. Children practiced hiding under desks. Families built shelters beneath their homes. Sirens echoed through cities, rehearsing for an apocalypse that everyone hoped would never come. Entire generations grew up knowing the world could end without warning. The Cold War wasn't just fought on borders, it lived in people's minds. 13 days from oblivion. In October 1962, fear became reality. American surveillance planes spotted Soviet nuclear missiles being installed in Cuba less than 100 miles from US shores. For 13 days, the world stood on the brink. Warships surrounded the island. Missiles were armed. Commanders waited for orders that could destroy civilization. One misunderstanding, one miscalculation, one launch. In the end, diplomacy narrowly pulled the world back from the edge. The missiles were removed. War was avoided. But humanity had seen how close the end truly was. After the crisis, both sides realized the truth. There might not be a second chance next time. Communication hotlines were created. Arms control agreements slowly followed. Yet the weapons never disappeared. The world remained locked in a silent standoff, peace balanced on the edge of annihilation. The Cold War never exploded into nuclear fire. But for decades, humanity lived under a shadow where the end of everything was always just minutes away. And the most terrifying part? It nearly happened.